Hey, how's it? This is Bo out here. How you doing, man? What I'm doing today is a little crossbow servicing. Have you waxed your bows today? Simple waxing of your bow saves the string. So in here I've got the rail lube and the string lube, two different things. And then of course you always check over your equipment, to see if there's any damage. I've replaced all these stock Nocks. It's a little bit more different technology than the last kind. Oh, come on. Hard to do from this angle here. There we go. It's like a Christmas tree all lit up. Excuse me. There. Yeah. So you can see, unlike the solid technology here, that this Christmas tree light's a little different. That's for sure. I was surprised when I opened up the box. I should have been more aware. I thought they were for my bows, not my bolts. But they managed to go on, and I'm going to use them. I think they were like $10. Took a couple weeks to get here, though. Well, I'll get on out of here. This is Bo out here. You know who, and you know where.